He was here where everybody else was here.
Would LeBron pass Jordan with a title this year?
Knock it off.
Alam niyo na ang debate na to. Si LeBron o si Jordan? Stats or rings? Longevity or dominance? Ito ang argumentong sumira ng mga pagkakaibigan, nagpa-crash ng mga comment sections, at nangibabaw sa bawat usapan sa barbershop sa nakalipas na 2 dekada. Pero heto ang problema. Lagi nating dinedebate ito kasama ng mga fans at analysts. Paano kung tanungin natin mismo ang mga players na naglaro laban sa kanila? Sino ang dumepensa sa kanila? Sino ang humarap sa kanila gabi-gabi at umalis ng arena na alam nilang may kakaibat silang nakaharap? Ngayong araw, 20 NBA legends ang magbibigay ng kanilang verdict kung sino ang greatest of all time. Baka gulatin kayo ng ilan sa mga sagot na ito. Simulan natin sa isa sa mga tanging buhay na tao na pwedeng isama ang sarili niyang pangalan sa usapang ito, si Magic Johnson. 5 rings. Ang taong nagredefine kung ano ba talaga dapat ang isang point guard. Laging open si Magic kung saan siya nakapanig. Believe siya kay LeBron, pero si Jordan pa rin ang standard kung saan sinusukat ang lahat.
Don't get it twisted. I love LeBron, but no.
Yeah,
I love my boy. I love him.
Yeah.
But when Michael Jordan took off with that tongue out, hold up. Listen, because a lot of you wasn't born then. 1991 against my Lakers, right hand. We thought we had him. He looked as we went down. He switched it to the left hand. Tongue went left. Spun it against the glass and good. There's nobody alive that's been able to do just that. That boy is too bad, I'm telling you right now. But LeBron is a bad boy too. He's a bad boy, but he's not Michael.
At kailangan mong maintindihan ang bigat ng sinabing yun galing kay Magic dahil ito rin yung Michael Jordan na lumapit kina Magic at Larry Bird, ang mga hari ng era nila, at diretsahang sinabi sa kanila na may bagong sheriff in town. Naramdaman yun mismo ni Magic, kaya kapag nilalagay niya pa rin si MJ sa top, that means everything. Nakita ni Shaq ang bawat ira ng malapitan. Siya ang most physically dominant force na na-produce sa laro. Pero may isang bagay na hindi palalagpasin ni Shaq. Isang GOAT debate na hindi nagtatapos kay Michael Jordan sa number 1.
You said LeBron James the greatest player ever?
Ever.
Kobe Bryant couldn't fill, or Michael Jordan fill LeBron's shoes. The impact that he's had with different teammates, different organizations.
Would you be mad at me if I just walked off the show?
You can't leave.
I'm going to say one thing to you, Max. I don't know the numbers like you do. Michael Jordan is what in the finals? 6 and what?
Oh.
And what is LeBron in the finals? That's all I got to say.
How many times did MJ see the Warriors, though?
Will you stop it?
I'm just saying, though.
Stop it.
He's going to beat the Warriors?
Hold
He's
on.
going to beat
Shaq, when
KD,
Jordan
Steph,
retired,
Clay?
when Jordan
Yes.
retired,
No!
Yes. Whoever's paying him to say all this stuff, I will pay you double to stop it.
Listen, Jordan was the greatest in my opinion. He likes LeBron, that's his opinion. But you know, when people look at stats, right? So you know, his stats are definitely going to be up there. And to have passed up Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, I can truthfully say I'm jealous of that feat. He's the only man that had me terrified on the court. Because I went from high school admiring him, college admiring him, and then he's right there in front of you. All the shit you see on your poster, like he's doing it in real life. Like he came by me so fast sometimes, I was like, oh shit.
Nire-respeto niya si LeBron. Ina-acknowledge niya ang kaso. Pero para kay Shaq, iisa lang ang lalaking nakaupo sa itaas ng lahat at walang anumang stats, rings or longevity ang makakapagpabago dyan. Hindi subtle si Charles Barkley. Never has. Para kay Chuck, si Jordan na ang greatest mula nung tumuntong siya sa college floor. At gaano man katagal maglaro si LeBron o gaano man karaming records ang basagin niya, si MJ ay palaging nasa taas. Hindi yun debate para kay Barkley. That's just facts.
He says, I'm surprised. I said, why are you surprised? He says, I thought you were the best player in the country. I said, well, I'm not. I said, well, I'm not. There's this dude. He's jet black. He's a little taller than me. He can outrun everybody. He can outjump everybody. And he's talking the whole time. He said, what's his name? I said, Michael Jordan. I ain't never seen anything like it. And this is before he became Michael Jordan. This is in college. I said, Coach, he gonna be amazing. I mean, I didn't think he was gonna become the GOAT.
Lou doesn't believe that Jordan is the GOAT.
So it's interesting you say that because we had a moment on TV the other night Blue. LeBron is getting ready to pass Michael in the most 30-point games. And Ernest says LeBron passes somebody. He's only 40 games behind Michael Jordan for the most 30-point games. And I says, can you repeat that? He's 35 games behind Michael for the most 30-point games. And he's played like 7 or 8 years longer. I love LeBron. He's a good dude. He's a great, great player. But to not have passed Michael in 30-point games, and he's played, I think he's on year 20, right? And I said, that's an incredible stat. That he's still behind Michael and he's played 7 years longer. You got to admit, that's an interesting factoid.
Nandoon si Scottie Pippen sa bawat isa sa 6 na championships na yun. Nakita niya si Jordan araw-araw, sa practice, sa locker room, sa mga pinakamalalaking moments ng mga pinakamalalaking laro.
The shot of the air, good! The game's over!
Kaya, nung tinawag ni LeBron ang sarili niya na GOAT,
that one right there made me the greatest player of all time.
Todo ang pag-pushback ni Pippen. Sabi niya, walang tao ang pwedeng magkorona sa sarili niya. You earned that. At habang ina-acknowledge ni Scottie na nagiging dikit yon dahil sa numbers, sa isip niya, iisang tao lang ang talagang nakakuha ng titulong yon.
We all have our opinion, but my problem is more so with LeBron. If you are the greatest player, if people are saying you are the greatest player, or if people are saying Michael Jordan is the greatest player, why do you need to say it?
Right.
Michael Jordan has never, ever said he's the greatest player to ever play the game. Why? He's respected all the other players before him. So for LeBron to say that, he's sort of pulling himself out of it, because you can't say you're the greatest player. You have to allow your peers in the world to say that.
Hindi nagpigil si Dennis Rodman. Diretsahan niyang sinabi na si MJ ang greatest to ever do it. At mas hinigitan niya pa na sinasabing mag-a-average ng 50 points per game si Jordan sa NBA ngayon.
LeBron era isn't over yet. So let me ask you this. How does he compare to your former teammate Michael Jordan?
That's been a big debate for a while now.
No question.
I just think that if you look at Michael, the body work he's done over the years, you look at LeBron, the body work he's done over the years. How many years? 17 now, going to 18? Michael is the greatest player ever. You know, Michael's been injured one time. He never asked to sit out. He never asked for anything, but only he asked for respect and money. But as far as LeBron and Michael, if Michael played in this era, he'll average 50. He'll average 50 points. LeBron's a great talent, no doubt. He's probably one of the top 3 players ever played with Kobe, Magic, Kareem. But Michael's right there. I don't know why you guys discuss the GOAT.
Mula sa isang taong kasama niya sa trenches, para sa 3 sa 6 na titles na yun, hindi lang basta loyalty ang nagsasalita. Isang tao yan na sinasabi mismo sa inyo kung ano ang nasaksihan niya ng malapitan. Naglaro si Kenny Anderson mula sa old era papunta sa bagong era. Nakita niya ito sa parehong sides, at para sa kanya, ang katotohanang nagawa ito lahat ni Jordan sa iisang team lang. Walang pag-chase ng ring, walang paglipat ng team ang nagbibigay sa kanya ng bentahe.
Who is the GOAT basketball player in your opinion?
Michael Jordan. Period.
I don't need to laugh at y'all.
I get it. Everybody says LeBron James and Kobe Bryant. My son, LeBron James. Because they know he hasn't seen Michael Jordan.
I've seen Mike.
LeBron is one of the best ever to play the game, but when you run around different teams, play with this guy, play with that guy, Mike never did that. Never did that. He stayed and got Pippen, you know, but other than that, it was just they were good players, but LeBron James, Kobe stayed 20 years with the Lakers. LeBron, he's always running around playing with Wade, Chris Bosh. Let's look at the record. He got 6 titles, right? Jordan,
Yeah.
6.
He's 6-0.
6-0. He never lost.
That's true. That's true.
Sa isang liga kung saan bihira ang loyalty at naging norm ang super teams, binuo ni Jordan ang kanyang buong legacy sa isang syudad, isang uniforme, isang misyon. Iyan ang isang bagay na kahit ang greatest stat line ay hindi kayang fully makapture. Gumawa ng pangalan si Gary Payton sa pagpapatigil sa mga best players. Dinedepensahan niya ang lahat at siya ang isa sa iilang tao sa listahang ito na makakapagsalita mula sa tunay na experience at kung ano ang pakiramdam na makipagsabayan sa mga pinakamagaling gabi-gabi.
Forget the Jordan and LeBron comparisons per se. I've never seen Jordan run from a defensive assignment. In my opinion, I don't want to use the word running because I'm not trying to disrespect LeBron. But I will say this, there have been many, many occasions where I would have liked to have seen him accepting the tougher defensive assignment, and that is not something that he has been prone to do. If anybody would know whether or not that statement is true, it would be you, GP. Your thoughts?
Well, it is true. I think it's a different little era with them too. Michael Jordan always took it to a point that he wanted to guard the best player. Even with myself, even if I start talking trashy him, he would always tell Scottie Pippen, "Look, I'm taking Gary tonight." He would always take the best basketball player on that thing. But I think now in this era, LeBron doesn't want to tire himself out because he does so much on his Cleveland basketball team. It's a difference. Michael Jordan really didn't have a mindset of, I don't care if I do tire myself out, I'm going to go and take this guy because I want to prove to him that I am the better basketball player. I think that LeBron doesn't have that mindset that he wants to do that every night because he knows that he does so much on his team and he has to exert himself so much that he doesn't do it. He does not have Scottie Pippen. He does not have guys like that who can help him out on a Chicago team.
Kapag binabahagi ni GP ang verdict niya, hindi to base sa highlights o nostalgia. Nakabase to sa kung ano ang naramdaman niya sa loob ng court. Sa perspektibong yon, magkaiba talaga. Nakaranas si Isaiah Thomas ng ilan sa mga pinakabrutal na laban kay Jordan sa kasaysayan ng NBA. Literal na gumawa ng isang defensive scheme ang Bad Boys Pistons para lang subukang pigilan siya. Kaya walang mas nakakaintindi ng hirap ng gawaing yun kaysa kay Isaiah.
I know we talk about Jordan, but he leads in no statistical basketball category. But yet we say there's an argument about him being the best. But then when you look at Kareem, and you look at LeBron, those guys lead in several statistical categories. But yet we say somebody else is better, and you know I'm just giving you like the evidence, right? Here's the evidence, and what 15 years from now, when the next generation come along, and they talk about how great LeBron James was and how great Kevin Durant was and Steph Curry was. It won't even be a conversation or a debate. Your generation right now is the only y'all say we hating on y'all hating on yourself. every time we ask you who your top 10 is, you list 10 guys from the 80s.
Isa sa pinaka-honest na maririnig niyo ang take niya. Pino-point out niya na ang generation ngayon ay kumikiling pa rin kay MJ, pero sinasabing deserve ng statistical dominance ni LeBron ng isang totoong upuan sa usapan. Hindi niya binabasura si LeBron, pinaprangka niya lang kayo. Iba naman ang nakikita ni Tracy McGrady. Para kay T-Mac, walang kinalaman sa stats ang GOAT debate. Ito ay tungkol sa mentality. At walang sino man sa kasaysayan ng larong ito ang nagkaroon ng mentality na tulad kay Michael Jordan.
I disagree with Zeke. I think Jordan is the greatest of all time in my book. For me, I think just completely just taking over games, when it really counts. Not deferring to anybody at any given time. Yeah, there's times where he passed off to a John Paxson or, a Steve Kerr. Yeah, but when it's time to get a bucket.
Jordan open. Chicago with the lead.
MJ was that dude to take over a game, averaging 40 in the finals one year, winning that championship. I mean, defending the best players. I can't, he's just the greatest to me, man.
Ang killer instinct, ang hindi pagpapatalo, the way he turned everything. Isang titig, isang linya ng trash talk, isang throwaway preseason game bilang gasolina. Yan ang naghihiwalay sa kanya at yan ay isang bagay na hindi mo mailalagay sa box score. Nagbigay sa atin si Dwayne Wade ng isa sa pinakabalansing takes sa buong video na to. At nagmi-make sense ito dahil isa si Wade sa ilang tao rito na naka-experience kay LeBron hindi mula sa kabilang side ng court, kundi nakatayo mismong sa tabi niya gabi-gabi.
LeBron-Jordan debate.
LeBron-Jordan debate.
Okay. I'm asked all the time, just like you, just like so many people. But because I play with LeBron and I play in the NBA and Jordan's my favorite, I'm asked a lot about this GOAT debate. how I'm going to start defining it.
Okay.
And as I discuss it, there's no secret about it all. Michael Jordan is my basketball GOAT.
Right.
My personally, right? For all the reasons that he should be. But I do have a new answer of the way I'm going to start answering this question. When people ask me, I'm going to say Michael Jordan is the greatest player I've ever watched.
Okay.
LeBron James is the greatest player I've ever seen.
Ooh. I saw what you just did right there.
I never saw Michael Jordan. I watched Michael Jordan.
Yeah.
Saw and I've seen LeBron James up close. Up
close.
I played against and I played with. I personally have not seen a greater basketball player. But I've watched a great basketball player.
Ang verdict ni Wade nang malapitan, si LeBron James ang greatest na nakita niya ever. At kapag nanggaling yun sa taong nanalo ng mga championships kasama niya na nakakita ng bawat practice rep at bawat fourth quarter moment, hindi yun isang hot take, isa yung testimony.